up, Untitled Chapter Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw Santa. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go down to this drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step making our Santa Claus, we're going to begin by making a circle in the middle of the page. This will be the nose. Now on each side of the circle that we just made, we're going to begin to make one small line. So far, we should have one circle with two lines. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and begin to make the eyebrows. The eyebrows will be two oval-like shapes. Now let's connect those oval-like shapes that we just made to the circle and two lines that we previously made. Fantastic! Now over on the left hand side, we're going to begin to make one line and then one C-like shape. This will be the ear for our Santa. Awesome! Now from that ear that we just made, we're going to begin to make Santa's huge beard. It's going to connect all the way over to the right hand side. Fantastic beard. Now we're going to begin to connect this to the face. Slightly to the right, we're going to begin to make the second ear of our Santa Claus. This is coming along very well. Now we're going to move up top. We're going to begin to make Santa's huge hat. Now at the top of the hat, we're going to make one huge circle. Fantastic! Now down below, we're going to begin to make Santa Claus eyes. We're going to make it appear as if they're closed. Then slightly below the nose, we're going to begin to make a mustache. That looks fantastic. Now let's move over to the left. We're going to begin to make the first arm and hand of our Santa Claus. Now for the next step, we're going to make one big C-like shape. We're going to connect this arm all the way over to the right side of Santa's beard. On the right hand side, we're going to begin to make the second arm. Now let's move down below. We're going to begin to make Santa's huge belt that will be going right across his huge belly. Now moving down below and slightly to the left, we're going to begin to make the first leg and foot of our Santa Claus. Wow, that came out really well. Now let's move slightly to the right and we're going to begin to do the same thing that we just did on the left. This is How to Draw Santa Claus. Thank you so much for watching on How to Draw Hub, and have a safe and happy holidays. If you're looking for a good gift to get over the holidays, be sure to check out our new book, Buddy the Branch, Buddy Goes to School. Now let's get ready for dance party color time.